Alright, welcome back to the channel today, guys, and I am basically trying to figure out why the back door of the Wrangler doesn't open now for no reason. Because I just did all the front control arms on it, and let me show you real quick what it's doing. So I put the key in, and actually let me just do this instead. Alright, so I put the key in. Like, doesn't even feel like it's got anything going on. So now I get to crawl in the back of this thing and figure out what in the hell we got going on. So shit, I did the wrong one. I've had this Jeep for 6 years, and every time I grab the wrong, well, there is not really one over here, there's one over there, but let me just move the seat forward. This is gonna suck, not gonna lie. All right, let me pop back in here and try to see what the hell we got going on. This footage probably looks horrible, but okay, so I figure the lock is in here. See if I can take this off. I can try to feel in here. I can't really see what's going on. What about this thing? Looks like a little locking thing. I'm not sure. Not entirely sure what's going on. So I was able to get it open, and let me try to get the phone in. Shit, I really can't. Alright, so I can kind of see the mechanics of it. So you can see, let me try to push it hard enough. It's hard to do it with one hand, but that's how it's supposed to work. And it looks like it's functioning now because I can feel more tension on the button. And so maybe like got a little froze up or something, but cool. I didn't really have to fix anything. I'm gonna hit it with some WD real quick, because yeah, now it feels stronger. I legit just started messing with shit in there, figuring it out, and I think I got it. So I don't really have a definite idea of how to like fix this thing. I basically like tell you how to, but I would say if it happens on your Jeep, just take the cover off right here and just start messing with the little like rods and the little actuators back here, and you'll be able to get it. So that's pretty cool. I'm at least happy I got that done. Now we're going to fix this with a little helper in a can, dude. The good old WD-40 right here, bud. And hopefully I don't have any problems because I'm going camping this weekend, hopefully. And I would rather not be grabbing shit out of the back and messing with that shit, because I don't care. I don't want to. I mean, it's whatever, you know what I mean? So now we're gonna take this good old can of if I got anything in here. Dude, there's like nothing in this can. Well, that sucks. Looks like I'm finding me a new can. Never mind, upon further inspection, I found the key is, don't put the little straw in there. So anyway, we're not gonna waste it. We're just gonna get all this shit. Get all of it. All of it up there, everything. Just soak the shit out of it. That may be the last of this bottle. Yo, here we go. Alright. Just gotta shake the shit out of it and get her to go. Because we are not having this problem again. Alright. Hopefully that's the fix. Alright, so now I shut it. And let's see. Boom, looky there. Mint. good old repair, and it didn't even cost me any money. Only money it would have costed me is if this good old can didn't let me down. So boom, there you go. That's how you fix a Jeep with good old WD-40 and some common sense, folks. All right, so I figure since it's been quite a while since I posted, that I will kind of give you guys an update as to what I am doing with this channel and kind of everything about. Let me make sure. Damn it. Anyway, kind of what's been going on with good old TB and the channel. So pretty much what I've been doing is I've been working on this thing, and I posted on my IG basically to follow better, as to basically, well, to follow this build better mostly is on the IG, because I try to do mechanic shit, but you know, I don't want to do that. I don't want to film it, because filming it, as you guys know that do this shit, it takes you like twice as long to film it, and ultimately it's just annoying and a big pain in the ass. So I just end up not doing it. But anyway, I ended up replacing the control arms and the diff bushings. So that's all new, because this thing like death wobbled and just was basically not even safe to drive on the roads. And I fixed that, got that done. It's not drive straight, drives good again. So I've been not wheeling because of that. So I got that fixed. So now, basically, my big problem is that when I want to go wheeling, it's either I go by myself or I just don't go, because it seems everybody, it's either they work, their shit's broke, something's going on. So that's why I have not been putting out Jeep content and shit. And that's pretty much why I was doing motocross stuff. But that's going to change, because I'm hoping to be going wheeling this weekend, and I'm hoping it's going to be a good video for you guys, because as I mentioned earlier, my plan is to get the camper, basically pop it up, look at it, make sure everything works, fill the propane tank, take it up to Rocks and Valleys, and camp in their campground that they have for a night, because I work one of the days and I get out, and then I'm going to come up, wheel some of Saturday, wheel most of Sunday. Gonna be a good time. Gonna be running all the hardcore shit. Well, hardcore shit for this Jeep, rather. Not gonna be doing like the crazy obstacles, but you know, I'm gonna run like the Python, run the hump trail, stuff like that, all that fun stuff. So there's that. Maybe go back to Hollyoaks. I do want to check out Bundy Hill this year, because I've always wanted to go there, and with how the old engine was, it just was not gonna work. I wasn't gonna pour in like 2 quarts of oil to go down there and then 2 quarts of oil to come back, basically, because it's burning a quart in like 50 miles. So that's pretty much where that goes. So I'm going to check out Bundy. I'm going to wheel Holly again, wheel Rocks and Valleys again. Maybe go to Drummond in a year or so, 2 years. I don't know. We'll see. I'd like to go back there because it was fun last time. But yeah, that's basically it. So now that I got you guys updated on what's been going on, just know the channel is not dead. The channel is still alive, and the channel is still flourishing with content, pretty much. It's just, I just haven't had time, and I have a lot of stuff I gotta get done. So there's that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed me messing around with this door nonsense, which turned out just to be something seized with a little bit of dirt. So that pretty much is it. You need your good old helper in a can right here. Good old WD-40, not a sponsor. Would be cool if they were, but you know, whatever. You'll have that when you're only at like under 1,000 subscribers. So you guys got to work on that and get that number up. Which, speaking of which, if you have not subscribed yet, go subscribe for me. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and follow for more. So hope you guys enjoyed the video.